It's been a long day. You're ready to unwind and snuggle up with a glass of red or perhaps some white wine. And just as you're ready to pour yourself a glass, you can't find your corkscrew. But don't worry, you're not screwed. There's a few tricks I learned from the internet that can get your bottle opened in no time. Let's try a few. Now for the screw method, you need a screw, a screwdriver, and a hammer. I'm not much of a handyman, I have to say. I do have a toolkit at home though, and the only use that I get out of my toolkit is putting my daughter's toys together. Twist a normal household screw into the cork with a screwdriver. It's going in. Now once you get it most of the way in, all you've got to do now is take it out. Use your hand as a fulcrum. And it's out. Congratulate yourself. Congratulations, John. So you're gonna take the lighter and heat the neck of the bottle to get the cork out. I'm gonna do this with goggles on because the whole cork popping out and busting my eye is not something I'm looking forward to. I'm gonna use this beautiful kitchen torch to speed the process along. Keep on lighting. Trust me, it's gonna work. It's coming. This is magic. Whoa, it's a celebration. Why would you open a bottle any other way? You never know when lyrical inspiration may strike, so I usually have a pen on me at all times, but I don't have one right now. What? Yes, I do. If it's a wine emergency and you need to get to the bottle quick, you can just force the cork down into the bottle using a pen. That was easy. Still tastes great. The last hack, and most definitely not the least hack, you could also just try to remember where you put your corkscrew. Let's open this LVE Cabernet Sauvignon